Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with AWS IAM using access keys, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, navigate to the IAM service. In the IAM dashboard, look for the Users tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Users tab to view the list of IAM users in your account. Select the user for whom you want to create access keys. In the User Details page, click on the Security Credentials tab. Scroll down to the section labeled Access Keys. Here, you will find the option to create a new access key. Click on the Create Access Key button. A pop-up window will appear, providing you with the new access key ID and secret access key. Be sure to download the key file or copy the secret access key to a secure location. Remember, you will not be able to see the secret access key again after this point. Once done, click on the Close button to exit the pop-up. Next, navigate to your local machine or the application where you intend to use the access keys. Open your command line interface or terminal. If you are using the AWS CLI, you can configure the access keys by running the command AWS configure. Enter the access key ID when prompted. Then, input the secret access key. You will also be asked to specify your default region. Finally, set your default output format, which is usually JSON. Your AWS CLI is now configured with the access keys. To verify your configuration, you can run the command AWS STS get caller identity. This command will display your account details, confirming that the access keys have been authorized successfully. You're now ready to utilize AWS services with your newly created access keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.